So, good day, sir. So, my name is Charles. So, I have some offer to you that easy wallet to building and security from user friendly. So, it's a digital wallet. So, I have some uh, example for you that why easy wallet. So it needs some user that's a simple way to track their digital funds and to know that how many they have a balance. So the solution is the app is manage the balance. So it can be a send money, or and it can logs history in a real time. So it can be a send directly in a time. So an overview in my system. So let's begin to start. So a login. So a login, it's you need a login in your like username and password. So in the main menu, it's about a 5 menu. So and the update, so it can be update the like if you done to click the minutes, then it can be directly update. So the code was a looping. So the loop is like it can be the again if you want to back, and if you want to click number 1, so it can be click number 2. So user identification, it can be so identification, it can be identification. So we have some friend. So welcome to Easy Wallet, then your simple and secure way to pay. So I have to put the enter like into your name like user. So here they can print some welcome to Easy Wallet. So enter your name, then the main menu that I said that yes, a check balance and add menu. I add money, send money, view history, so exit. So the update means the like if you done like add checking the user, so it can be exit. So it can be by the looping using the loop. So it can be roll. Then this is the string that can be choice. Like for example, like you want to choice number 1. So like break, then the balance break choice or string, and to add amount to add. Then case number 3, so multi-step. So it can be send money that it successfully, then and so if you put some wrong and it's invalid choice, so that's a current balance. So I have that. Then transaction failed, then transaction history, it can see, then the receipt name, and if you want to add money, it can be see. Then thank you.